Dude, we should just run out there with pistols.
No, 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 please, no way.
Oh, we're actually gonna freaking run with... Okay, fine. Oh my god. Wicker, you suck. Run!
It's probably in that room, Akile. It's not. That's...
Wait, what?
Reloading.
Hey, one med kit is in the safe room. Wicker Man forgot it.
So he's just jumping up. You actually
I don't know who stole all my health.
Wicker Man, just jump up, so no one likes you anyway.
Wicker Man, this is how you do it. You go from here, you get a running start, and you jump!
Actually, you might as well do it. Peer pressure. Peer pressure, do it. Oh, they're rage quitting, seriously? Oh man. Rage quitting when they won. I know.